natural calamity we had. And so Dodd-Frank correctly says we need to
don't go
have
straight to
qualified
him.
mortgages, and if you give a mortgage that's not qualified, there are big penalties. Except they didn't ever go on to define what a qualified mortgage was. Right. It's been 2 years. We don't know what a qualified mortgage is yet. So banks are reluctant to make loans, mortgages. Try and get a mortgage these days. It's hurt the housing market because Dodd-Frank didn't anticipate putting in place the kinds of regulations
Turn
you
on the
have
lights,
to have. It's not that Dodd-Frank always was wrong with too much regulation. Sometimes they didn't come up with a clear regulation. I will make sure we don't hurt the functioning of our marketplace and our businesses because I want to bring back housing and get good jobs.
I think we have another clear difference between the two of you. Now let's move to health care, where I know there is a clear difference, and that has to do with the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, and it's a two-minute new segment, and that means 2 minutes each. And you go first, Governor Romney.
Don't hurt him.
You want the Affordable Care Act repealed. Why?
I sure do.
Poor baby.
From my experience, I was in New Hampshire. A woman came to me and she said, "Look, I can't afford insurance for myself or my son." A couple in Appleton, Wisconsin, and they said, "We're thinking of dropping our insurance. We can't afford it." And the number of small businesses I've gone to that are saying they're dropping insurance because they can't afford it.
Okay, Daddy, stop. Daddy.
We got to deal with cost.
Stop. That's enough. Stop.
When you look at Obamacare,